Hi guys, and welcome to another video. The Vespa Primavera is arguably one of the most popular nameplates in Italian motorcycle manufacturers lineup right now. A timeless design paired with a capable and efficient engine in a beginner-friendly scooter is definitely an enticing package. However, its pricing doesn't necessarily make it affordable. It sells for 185,000 pesos here in our market, so it's definitely far from an entry-level ride. There are other more practical options available at maybe half the price of the Primavera. That said though, you have to keep in mind that it's a Vespa after all. But if it makes you feel any better, we are actually pretty lucky here on our side of the globe. In other countries where the Primavera is available, specifically in Malaysia and Thailand, this bike costs over 200,000 pesos. Meanwhile, in further markets such as the United States, the Primavera carries an heftier price tag of over 260,000 pesos. Damn, that's nearly a price range of a tollway legal bikes already. Markets such as Vietnam's and Indonesia's, on the other hand, get better pricing at around 163,000 pesos and 147,000 pesos respectively. Does that make us feel bad? Not really, because at least it's available in our market. In India, the Vespa VXL 150 is the closest you'll get to a Primavera. So, do you still think this Vespa is expensive here? Let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you next time.